Well, welcome back to the Shitbox Garage. Um, Probably the most popular video that I have on YouTube is me doing rod and main bearings on this 3.8 in this JK here. So, been doing a ton of work to this thing, getting it road ready. It always has been road worthy, but getting ready to do long trips, like if I wanted to go to Florida or something. And transmission, all kinds of stuff. And it had a small coolant leak, wondering where it is. So just going through diagnosis, you get underneath here, and I'll try and show you that in just a second. I just took it out for its last drive before it goes under the knife again. Upper radiator hose, hard as a rock. Even it's been off already, sitting for a few minutes. I'll pop the hood, it'll still be rock hard. What that means is the coolant system is over pressurized, and so somewhere in there, high pressure is causing coolant to leak out somewhere, probably through anywhere. It's too high pressure. The reason it's high pressure is because exhaust gas is escaping out of the cylinders, combustion chambers, across the head gasket and into the water jackets that are real close by, pressurizing that system. And so it's time to do a head job on this. So really the only real issue is head gaskets. But to get at the head gaskets, you got to get way into it. And as long as you're in there at 160,000 hard trail miles, might as well put some new heads on it and some new parts, because you're already down in there. And if you don't, you might hate yourself, because the next thing that goes is a intake seal or who knows what. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to create a video here for you, hopefully help you out with how to do some heads on a 3.8 Chrysler engine. They're in minivans. It's a minivan motor. Nothing special. Just replacement style, remanufactured OEM heads. I'll show you those. But the heads that are coming off, I will use to rebuild those with different parts in prep for a stroker. I want to find a low end and build a stroker motor for this. Stroke it out from a 3.8 to a 4.1. Cam it to get the torque, peak torque band down, so you got a much more usable trail motor. I'm thinking 2 videos here: a video about teardown and cleanup, and then a video about putting it back together. So stay tuned.